Faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night from this smiley.
Yeah, I'll try to smile.
He's going.
I'm gonna break my back.
Short struggle. Yes, Ty, say morning to the Faves.
Morning, babes.
Yes.
Jules say that is not pretty and it's sweet. Vous m'appelez pas Jules, je m'appelle Jules pour commencer.
Eh, Jules, tu baisses d'un temps.
Anyway, you guys, we are all houseful. Sister-in-law, Jules over there. My brother-in-law is getting ready to come out, so we're gonna start off with eating brunch right now before we head out. We have a whole day packed with activity, and we're looking forward to spending time with them today. So we are just getting brunch, and then we are going to head out on the road. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna show you Sarah, and then we're gonna head to the table to eat. Hopefully, you guys are having a good day. Stay love, stay blessed, stay motivated, and we'll see you guys along today's day. Here is Sarah.
Bonjour. Ça va?
Hey yo. Bien.
Hop. Jules, ça va? Hop.
Les blues, c'est pour Tyler.
Ah, le bleu pour Tyler.
Oui.
Tyler.
Tyler.
You liking your favorite toys?
Non, c'est bon. Allez,
Oh, mais on a la même.
oui. Attention.
Trois papiers comme ça.
Jules.
Pas longtemps.
Je dois mon gros cul.
Bon allez venez, plus on s'éloigne et plus ça l'aidera.
Tata.
Oui,
Sarah
Tata.
to sleep.
My jacket.
Tata.
No, Tyler, come. Your jacket is in the car.
Oh,
Ouais, bravo, il sauté.
Sébastien est sorti.
The peace moment is finished.
Ah, c'est le moment de paix. Tu sais, on a cette capacité, c'est comme quand on conduit. Quand on conduit, t'as Sarah, non, Sarah
Tyler.
va pleurer. Elle est en stress à côté.
In
il
his
faut
Paw
s'arrêter
Patrol,
pour
everything.
donner
Let me
à
see a
manger,
shirt.
tout ça. Et-
Turn around,
et
let me
moi,
see a
ça me gêne
shirt.
pas. J'arrive à
Move your
déconnecter, à dézoner.
Look at these two. Look at these two. Look at these two.
Doucement.
Look at these two. Look at these
Faites le
two.
câlin.
Be careful.
Faites le câlin. Jules, fais un câlin à ton cousin. Oh, le big câlin.
Attention, Jules. C'est quoi ça?
Je sais pas. Depuis ce matin, il a ça. Je sais pas ce que c'est. Je lui ai posé la question, il sait pas me dire ce qu'il a fait. Il me dit j'ai dormi sur ma main. Ah, look at this two.
The love, the love. Hey. All right, get up. Up. Fini. We are here, you guys. We're gonna spend the day, and the crew's getting their handbands. We're getting our handbands. And we're going inside. It's a Luna Park, so it's a light park, kind of, with different rides and games and things. So let's go in. Tyler, give Tata your bag. Ty, hold on tight. Monsieur Police. Monsieur Police. Hold on tight, okay? I don't measure. Tyler! Woo! Tyler! Look at Tyler here. Look at Tyler here. Yeah, he's there. Why? He's the one! You're the bomb! Monsieur Totu.
The light is
Bye Tyler.
Ça tout doucement, on essaye de bousculer les gros ballons sans se faire.
Don't stop it, play it right away.
about to come down from the top. Let's see if you guys can see how far he is. He's all the way up there.
Skylar?
Yes. See here.
Ah, il va pas là-bas, on est là-bas.
Yes. Is only one try them get? With Tyler. Oh! Don't touch his side! Bravo! Tyler! Don't touch the side! Don't hold on to the side! Come around! Come around!
Appuyez sur la pédale pour le volant.
Turn tight, turn this way, yeah. Look where you're going. Drive, go. Tyler is now outside doing canoeing, so he's gonna come through this little hole.
Jules, regarde Tata. Tyler.
I see you. Ty, come Jules. Right.
Regarde Tata. Jules, regarde Tata.
200 Ty, you right. What you mean with them Jules? You guys, we are back from off the road from all the activities that we get done today, and right now I am getting dinner done. Tonight we are having raclette for dinner, so I just finished cooking the potatoes and set the table, and they're having aperitif, and then we're all gonna move to the table and enjoy some goodness, fatness, yumminess, raclette. Let me show you guys what the table looks like. If you guys don't know what is raclette, let me show you so you have an idea.